Okay, hopefully I'm recording. So now we're going to take a look at doing the homework. So if you get stuck, create two files, HTML, CSS, name the files using naming conventions, link the CSS file to the HTML file. So I'm going to just do a new folder here, 005, and we'll call it homework. And then inside there, create a new directory, 01. And then inside there, you can create a new HTML file. Index is the standard naming convention for the HTML file. And main for your main CSS style sheet. And now I'm going to link them with link. And I need to link to main CSS. So those are now linked. That's it for that first assignment. I'm going to copy this a couple times because I think I need that. So I just created copies of all those. For the second one, take the CSS file you created in the previous challenge and put that CSS file in a folder. Use standard naming conventions for the folder. Make sure the index.html file and the main CSS file are still linked. So we're just kind of working on organization of our code. And so this might be CSS. And I imagine that's what I did, and drop that in there. And then just make sure this is linked. Take this one out. And say, go into my CSS folder, and then go into that. And that's a relative URL. Relative to where I'm at, I'm right here, because that's where this file is, index.html. Enter this folder, and then give me that file. If I'd done it like this would be from the root of my website, / and that's absolute. So there's my CSS, so we're done with number 2. For number 3, create this page right here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 with some text. So I need heading 1, and it's going to have a paragraph in it. No. So the easiest way to do it is like this. Heading 1, and then beneath that, paragraph. And then this is going to be, and then heading 2, and paragraph. Heading 3, paragraph. Heading 4, paragraph. And for these paragraphs, lorem tab will fill in some empty text. Let's copy that. And then something, another, one more, cool donkey stuff. That just sounds weird. And that's kind of similar. Close enough. I don't need the CSS. I'm not doing anything with that. Just get it out of there. Wasn't asked for. And for the next assignment, create this page. Did that one. Create this page. Unordered list and ordered list. So that's going to be right here. Unordered list, li. And this is just Emmet. I'll duplicate that so you have the Emmet. There's my unordered list. And then ordered list, li, content, and then duplicate that so that you have it. Hit tab. And that's those. Cool. And then a puppy and a link. So I don't necessarily need to do a puppy, I just need to do an image. So an image, go up a level, go into 003. Go up one more level. 3. And peer. And then we need a link. Anchor tag. That's it. That's huge! And launch a new browser tab needs to have a target blank. Launches a new browser tab. Add comments to the HTML document you created in the previous example. That's super simple. So let's get rid of that one. And we don't need the CSS here. And this one doesn't do anything with the CSS. So get rid of that. And get rid of that. Now we just need to add comments. See, link and anchors create links, which is why it's a little bit confusing. Add comments to HTML document created in the previous example. Identify which of these URLs are relative URLs and which are absolute URLs. So this is absolute. No matter where I hit that link from, always takes me there. This is relative. This is because of the dots. Hey, from where I am, go up directory and then come down into that. This is absolute. From the root of my website, go here. And this is relative. Relative to where I'm at, go into that folder, chapter 7, and then index file. So those are your hands-on exercises. And now just to finish this up, I'm going to CD into source. I'm going to CD into CD and LS and CD into documents, HTML, CSS, get status, get add dash dash all, get commit dash m, you're doing great, get push. And if this was my homework that I need to submit, that I just done, I would then go to GitHub and go into my repo. And then inside my repo, I'd find that code and say, here it is. Copy that URL, submit that in Canvas. Come over here, wherever our class is. I'd say submit, here's my link to my code. And then I could look at your code and say, sweet. That's your homework. I have to take off a little bit early. Today I have a meeting. So